Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real. I call for you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light to fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invisible at last, fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invisible. I've been flying off the ceiling, and maybe we're invisible.
Good morning.
Hi, everybody.
We are all packed up and ready to go. We talked to the DVC gal downstairs last night when we were coming back to our room, and she said that the 3-bedroom grand villa is available to look at today. So we are gonna go just one floor down from where our room is and go check it out. Anyway, we're gonna run downstairs, take a look at that thing before we head over to Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
Going to Animal Kingdom. It's 9:49 in the morning. Animal Kingdom's been open since 8. There's nobody at the gate.
Nobody here.
Parking lot's pretty empty. I just checked the wait times. Looks like everything except Flight of Passage is 5 minutes at the moment. Flight of Passage is 30 minutes.
Oh.
For Flight of Passage, that's still really low.
Yeah, that's low.
The only thing I don't like about having a car is walking, because they're not running the trams right now from the parking lot. So we just pushed back our Tiffins reservations from 12 to 2. Because we don't have to be at the airport until like 5:30. So we're doing some Animal Kingdom. It's nice and kind of overcast. Got some clouds, which helps with it not being so dang hot.
You see, we are appropriately retired.
You're retired?
Yes. Rafiki. Okay, Animal Kingdom has a different type of bag scanner than Magic Kingdom did. And all we had to do was hold our umbrellas out.
Right.
And everything else just went through. Some reason Kelly got beeped.
I got beeped, but I have the fan and I have a camera and I have a phone and everything in there.
I have it too.
But they have like these little iPad things that kind of like alerts them, and then they send you to a different person, and then you have to take your stuff out of your bag.
Yeah.
Okay, it is literally Africa hot. So we're gonna find some shade. Woo! Let's see the birds. Are your shorts sweating again?
Not yet, but I feel it coming.
I don't know if I can handle the crowds on this path.
People need to distance themselves.
Bob and weave, bob and weave. Hand washing station.
That's the first one I've seen, by the way.
Yeah, I haven't seen any others either. Oh, they're really limiting people in the store. Oh, exit only. Where's the entrance only? That says exit only though.
Wait in line to get in.
Huh. Well, it's not so bad right now.
Here's Kelly on the hunt for a shirt. This is the shirt safari. As she goes looking through the bush for the perfect shirt. Okay, I think we found the perfect one. But we need to find the perfect size. Here's Kelly, always squawking at me. Get some video of the birds! Okay, those two are blue and gold macaws. And Mr. Chatty over here. Oh, there he goes. What's up, guys?
Got a lot to say.
Yeah, they do. By the way, the red and green one was a military macaw. You gotta go to Creature Comforts, because these creatures need some comfort.
Yes.
In the way of food and drinky.
Yes.
Starbucks coffee. I'd probably just get a small one because we're gonna ride rides. Just a little shot.
Just a few reminders.
Yeah, just a little.
Clean your hands often and
This fan is saving my life right now.
These portable fans are the bomb diggity.
Yeah, if you don't have one and you're coming in the summer, you need one.
And you better test some out too, because Kelly's, the other one, she had crapped out quick.
Yeah, crapped out quick, so this one's really good. We have a vampire Mickey cinnamon roll here. It's not as big as it was last time, but I think that was like the colossal. But this is plenty. This is plenty for both of us. We just needed a snack.
Yeah. Kali River Rapids.
We haven't done this ride in ages. Like years.
Yeah, look, they got the characters.
Okay, it's just us and another family on the boat.
Yep, we're about to get wet. I'm so ready to get wet.
Yeah, me too.
That's where we're going.
Greetings, friends. There is some rough water ahead, so for a safe journey, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft. Be sure to watch your children. And you, your turn.
I'm watching you. It's almost like we want to go again.
I know.
I think we should.
Enjoy your journey.
Round 2. Look at that truck. Roger's truck. Hey, look, there's a person watching. Whoa! That's a hell of a bump.
We're holding for traffic.
We're in a holding pattern in the sun.
So we're getting evacuated off the Kali River, right at the top of the drop. Like, this is going to be interesting.
Yeah.
We've been sitting here for what, 10 minutes?
No, about 15 or 20.
15 or 20 minutes. We're right at the top of the drop. So we're going to see how this goes. We're draining all the water. You start to see the bottom. We're sweating to death. They're draining all the water.
Alright, we're gonna get you guys off in just a second. Brix is gonna help you guys all to this raft, and I'm gonna help you guys from this raft to this raft, okay?
Okay.
Take a seat until my friend Hunter gets to the next boat, okay? Watch your step, friend. Just
Alright,
right there for my
I'm on
friend.
my way. And then you're just gonna walk from one raft to the other. Alright, just walk on over. Watch your step. Sorry again about this, guys. Just watch your step on over. Halfway around to the wall.
Alright guys, just watch your step for me. If you need any assistance, please let me know.
Okay. Oh, that's fun.
about your inconvenience.
Woo, thank you. Water. Hear the monkeys.
Hello, monkeys.
Okay, well that was fun.
That sucked.
Yeah, that kind of sucked. They had us hanging out there for like 20 minutes in the hot sun. I don't know what the problem was.
Whatever, it took like 45 minutes to get us off that boat.
But, you know, but it's the process they have to go through. I get that.
Yeah, I get that.
But,
But you know, sitting in the sun, and we were the last ones, the first one stopped and the last one off.
yeah, so that kind of sucked.
Guess we have to go that way.
I hear the monkeys. This is Bob standing in the rain. If it could have rained like 20 minutes ago, it would have been perfect. It's cooling down. It's a very nice rain right now.
After spending a hot hour almost on Kali River,
It's raining!
it's raining and Kelly's all covered and I am not.
Bob has said, screw it, I am not
I'm gonna get wet.
gonna walk in the rain.
Yep. We're gonna go, where are we going? Safari or Navi'i?
No, we'll just see what's going on.
Okay. We're gonna see what we can see. Here we go, we're gonna do the Kilimanjaro Safari.
Guys, we had evacuated after Kali. They said we could use the special assistance line.
That's the one good thing about getting stuck on Kali,
Yeah.
was we get to use the special assistance fast pass line to get onto the ride sooner. Okay. Kilimanjaro Safaris. Here we go. When it rains, the animals come out.
Oh my gosh, it was so good. The only thing we didn't see were the lions.
Yeah, but everything else, we got a good shot at cheetahs.
Yeah, really good. And
Never
really good shot at the white rhinos.
Uh-huh.
elephants and giraffes.
Ostriches, baby elephant.
And the baby zebra too.
And a baby zebra.
That's good.
I hope I got the baby elephant. I couldn't hardly see it.
Are you finally cooled off?
Yeah, why?
Yeah, I'm just asking for your health and well-being check.
For my health and well-being, yes, I'm cooled off. Now I'm wet.
Yeah, good.
So.
Much better.
Now where are we going? Navi'i River?
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Yes, the sunglass squeegee.
Yeah.
And you can like make a little mount for it right here on the side.
Mhm.
And just go.
Like a little magnetic mount or something.
Yep.
Yeah. Or like Velcro.
Or something.
Something like that. That would be brilliant.
Just a little plastic clip.
I bet you could make like a hat bill clip. You know, like the golfers have with the ball markers.
Uh-huh.
These are the kinds of things that Bob and Kelly talk about.
And then never follow through.
Nope, never do.
Yeah.
That's why we're not rich.
Somebody will. You
Somebody
know,
will
now
do
that
it.
we talked about it.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see little sunglass squeegees
Yep.
pop up everywhere.
Exactly. It'll be the next best thing since the pet rock. Wonder what these markers are for.
That's little Lion King.
This one goes around in a
this one's
circle.
probably for Pandora.
This one's for flight of passage.
Yeah.
Woo! All the way out here.
They gotta be for flight of passage.
Yeah, they gotta
Flight
be.
of passage all the way out here before.
Yeah, the regular, like, standby line. So we decided not to do Everest. Kind of, didn't we?
Well,
I don't think after Collie, that, you know,
that kind of
experience.
took the wind out of your sails right
It
there.
did. So we decided not to do Everest. We were a little like, ugh, after sitting in the sun for so long. So we're just doing relaxing stuff.
Thank you.
We'll see where we're at.
We'll see how we feel.
Yeah, 'cause we wanted to spend a little time in Nomad
Yeah, we
Lounge
really
before
did.
our lunch.
I think I'd rather Nomad than Everest right now.
I kind of think I would too.
Solo. Bob didn't feel like going, so he's gonna meet me in the gift shop. It's a 10-minute wait. Like, you can't pass that up. So we're gonna go. It's gonna take me 10 minutes just to walk through the queue. That's probably the wait right there. I'm going in through the bioluminescent room. I wondered how much of the queue they were going to take us through. We kind of skipped through one section. I've got some of the barriers. Probably can't see them. Here they are. Where the switchbacks are. I kind of don't mind the markers because I hate it when people are kind of like right up against you anyway. So this is a-okay with me. There's some more barriers here. Goes all the way up there.
Thank you for visiting us today. Just a few reminders. Please wear a face covering. Clean your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you.
Well, I don't know what this room's called. I'm gonna call it the science room. So we're walking right through the science room here. Gives you a better picture of the barriers right here. Going up the stairs means we're going to be on the top.
Yay! Here we go! Expedition Everest! Last ride! Last ride of the trip! Woo! We'll just keep it there.
I got it with my foot.
Okay. So we're kind of in the lighting here, you can't really tell, but this is green.
This is the green. This is going to be our green drink.
As green as we're going to get because nobody seems to be using the dory anymore.
Right. We're in Tiffins right now, by the way.
Tiffins, and this is what is it? Snow leopard.
Snow leopard salvation.
Salvation.
Mhm.
That's it.
Yeah.
So.
And I'm going to have a bonus. It's kind of pink red.
I would say it's red.
It's red. Bonus red. This is my favorite Jen's tattoo. Cheers. Okay, I have a beautiful salad here. It's a very beautiful salad. And Bob got the bread service, the Tiffins bread service. I don't know what she said that was.
I don't either.
But he's going to eat it.
I got red pepper hummus and mint.
Coriander something or other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coriander, mint,
How's
yogurt.
your drink? Yeah, how's your drink, by the way?
My drink is amazing.
Good. So is mine. It's probably one of the best Jen's tattoos.
And pita and some other kind of goofy looking bread, but hey.
Enjoy those very descriptive explanations.
Here's my whole sustainable fish, and it's like saying, eat me. And I'm going to, because I don't know. I named my last one Jessica, so this one is going to be...
Fred.
No! It's got to be a woman. Felicia.
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 Okay.
So I can say, bye, Felicia. And here's Kelly's shrimp and grits. Does that look good to you?
It does look good. Yes.
That looks good too, right there.
So does this.
Yes, that's a very good drink.
Yes, it is.
This is a very good drink.
I'm
We might have to do 2.
thinking it's going to be a 2-drink lunch.
Another Jen's tattoo. And this time we have a Lamu libation.
Looks a lot like a Mai Tai.
It kind of does, doesn't it? Maybe that's why I like it so much.
Maybe it is.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. We are on the plane. Do you see how empty this plane is? So, story. Been sitting on the plane for 2 hours on the ground
Weather.
because of weather.
We just got loaded and then lightning got close and a huge storm rolled through
And it was very slow.
and they closed the ramp so nobody could fuel us, couldn't get the baggage loaded.
But,
They actually let us off the plane if we wanted to.
yeah, you could get off the plane, get food if you wanted, because it's very limited service on the airplane. But, our plane is like super
Empty.
empty. I think they said there's like 120 empty seats.
Well, unsold seats.
Unsold. What'd you say?
That's plus the middle seats already being empty.
Yeah. So there's some people up there.
So we're probably about a third.
Third full.
Yeah.
So we're a couple hours late.
Yeah.
But, yeah. Today has been
Today has been a day.
Patience.
It has been a day.
getting stuck on Collie
This is like,
and then being on the plane.
it's kind of a bonus. We're getting like twice as much for the same day as we usually do.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got
So-
to sit on Collie like twice as long. The plane twice as long.
Sounds like they're getting ready to start up the engines again on the plane. So
Sounds like, yeah, the fuel truck still fueling.
still fueling. So
Got fuel.
that's what we're doing. We didn't end the vlog at Animal Kingdom because my battery ran out and I didn't have another one.
But we did go to Expedition Everest.
We did ride Everest. Bob filmed it on the GoPro.
Yeah. And then I threw up on the side.
He didn't really.
No.
He didn't. But then we had a very hot Sahara walk
Oh my god.
back to the car.
It's like that parking lot is like the Sahara Desert.
It was.
And they're not running the trams, so it's like 100
It was
miles.
a trek. It was a trek.
It's like 100 miles.
So, you know, got to the airports. Everything went smoothly up until the thunderstorm came. And here we are.
Yeah. So we're probably get home about 2 in the morning. I know.
And then we get to go to work tomorrow.
Yeah,
But-
at 8:30.
That's what happens when you travel.
That's how we roll.
That's how we roll.
That's how we roll.
So, we want to say
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching.
Hit that,
Hit that subscribe button,
ding that,
notification bell,
and give us one of those.
thumbs up if you enjoyed our video.
Yeah. Because we enjoyed making it.
We did. Thank you guys for watching. We really do appreciate your time and hope you're staying well. And we will see you next time.
Say bye for now.
Bye for now.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.